going on, guys? Welcome back. This is KP, and I'm over here at a new project on Thurgood Street, southwestern Atlanta. This is our first day on the project, and I'm going to show you exactly what we're going to do. But before I do that, click the like button, subscribe, and comment, and follow me through. All right, welcome inside, guys. First off, we didn't do much on the outside because we're not going to do anything but paint, change the windows, and the roof outside. So our main focus is on the interior. What we plan to do in this space all around here is take out this wall completely. Because on the other side of this wall is the kitchen. So this wall is gone. It's also divided by a wall right here. That we're taking that out as well. We may put a beam here just for support purposes. But this will be open. On demo day, you guys will see it. We're going to keep the characteristic of this fireplace, but we're getting rid of all this old plaster that they just piled up on top of it. And behind me, we're taking this wall out completely as well. So this is coming out. And on the other side is the bedroom. What we're going to do with this space right here, we're going to bring this wall out. Still leave a little 40-foot entrance into the living space. But in this area I'm in now, this will be the master bathroom. So you're gonna have a shower, toilet, double bed. To this space right here. It's gonna be approximately another 6 by 8 space that we're gonna do in addition on this bathroom, the bedroom behind. So I'll show you the rest of the place. So this is the kitchen. You already know we're taking this out. Getting rid of it. And this is the wall that I told you we have to put a support beam on. Because it's the old exterior wall of this house. And we're going to close in this deck that's behind it, this patio. So this will give us twice the size of this current kitchen. We're going to grow it twice the size. And over here, the stairs to the basement. What we're going to do on this wall, of course, is demo all this. But we're going to keep a half wall. So we're going to get rid of everything up here because the stairs on the other side to give it a more open feel. And then here, which is just the bathroom, all we're going to do in there is just demo everything, new toilet, tub, and vanity. And of course, tile work. This room is probably the room with the least amount of work. What we're going to do in this room is refinish the floor, new windows, demo all the walls because it's plastic. We don't want any plastic left in this house when we're done demoing. So with that being said, say goodbye to the plastic. This room here has 2 closets now. We're just going to keep one closet and dedicate the other closet. We're going to reverse the door so the room on the other side will have 2 closets now. I'll show you the master. And this is the master bedroom. The one that I told you was taking this wall out and creating a master bath. So you know we're coming out right here. I'm gonna demo all this and create the space that we need for this master bath. Over here, like I told you, we was taking one of the closets from that room so we can double the size of this closet space in the master. So that's pretty much everything that's going on upstairs. In the basement, we're going to create 2 bedrooms and a bath down there. So when we're done with this project, it's going to be a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, which is a great combination for this neighborhood. I'm going to go to the basement now. So down here in the basement, what we plan to do is put a wall up right here. And over here is our laundry and storage area, that leads to outside as well. But in this space here, it's already a bathroom. So we're going to refinish this bathroom, new tile, new layout, new toilet, vanity shower, etc. So in this space that I'm in now, it's actually going to be a bedroom. Like this is just like a little living space. This room here, we're going to put a wall up here, put a door here, create a hall here. So you will have 2 bedrooms down here now. You have this living space, bedroom, and over here, another bedroom. So downstairs we're gonna have 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. Upstairs we're gonna have 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. So that's our 4-3 layout for this house over on Thurgood. Please make sure you like the video, comment, subscribe to our channel to be updated on the next video for this series. So be ready for demo day coming next.